Self-love meditation, a powerful practice that can ease a racing mind. By drawing our attention to our innermost self, we find our source of inner peace and acceptance. Stressful thoughts gently diminish as we gain the peace required to move forward with grace. If we do not allow the natural love for ourselves to be expressed, love does not reveal its beauty very often throughout each day of our lives. Get into a nice relaxing position. Remove any distractions for the duration of this session. Take the very first action in self-love right now. You have the ability to breathe at will in all different kinds of ways. Our breath has been there literally our entire lives, changing as needed to the demand of exciting circumstances and flowing effortlessly when we are resting. Taking multiple full and deep breaths every day is proven to change our bodies and minds for the better. If we do not allow the natural love for ourselves to be expressed, love does not reveal its beauty very often throughout each day of our lives. We are going to take 5 full and deep breaths, holding it for a moment at the top and naturally exhaling. 1. Inhale a nice big breath, expanding your belly and lungs as much as you can. Hold it and exhale gently with relief. 2. Inhaling fresh oxygen that will be supplied to your bloodstream, holding it to soak it in and exhaling without any effort. 3. Inhale, feeling rejuvenated and invigorated by this breathing. Hold it and exhale easily. 4. Inhale, noticing how breathing fully comes naturally to you, pausing to soak it in, and exhale any tension or worry. And 5. Inhaling fully as an act of self-love, pausing to feel this love, and exhale to complete relaxation. Let your breath flow at a pace without any effort from you now. Good. By doing this, you are proving you are capable of self-love. Deep breathing increases the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, sometimes referred to as the rest and digest system. By breathing deeply and often, you are commanding your body to rest, which relaxes and rejuvenates you. This is self-love in its simplest form, that anyone can do at any time of the day. Now let's honour ourselves by relaxing the mind even further. Notice how your thoughts are rising in your mind, one after the other. See them come and see them go. Some thoughts linger for some time, and some thoughts only come for a split second. If you can really focus, you will even notice some smaller thoughts, such as describing the world around you or labelling the things in your surroundings. Let your hearing become super alert now and try to focus on some sounds around you. Maybe you can hear the sound of your breath. Can you hear nature nearby? Or perhaps a car is passing by, or people are talking with each other. Go from sound to sound, focusing only on one at a time. Now stop focusing on any sound in particular and just allow all of the noises around you to come in equally. And when you hear them, they almost act as tiny waves of relaxation, calming your mind. Good. Your mind relaxes when you activate your senses on command. Let us use the power of your amazing visualization abilities to induce self-love. Begin to imagine yourself full of an abundance of self-love. See yourself now choosing healthy foods and cooking at home so you know all of the ingredients you are putting into your body. Vividly see yourself eating well. When you eat well, see yourself enjoy these moments, and you feel the nutrition that these choices bring you. Imagine now that you have a strong will to avoid junk foods and unhealthy drinks. See yourself in great detail, confidently saying no to all these things. You feel very proud now when you avoid eating something unhealthy. Good. Eating healthy is an essential component in self-love. Another form of self-love is observing your mental chatter. In order to have great self-love, you must expand the good things you feel about yourself and challenge any negative thoughts as soon as they arise. So hear yourself saying, "When I fully love myself, I am able to fully love others. Deciding to love myself is a wonderful agreement. Each day, I allow my love for myself to grow more and more. I am worthy of love and I honour the joy that comes with it. Deciding to love myself unconditionally, no matter what happens, feels wonderful. I deserve love and self-respect. My self-esteem grows along with my self-love, and I love and accept everything about myself. I completely and always love myself. Today I love myself even more than yesterday. Truly loving myself is easy for me. The more I love myself, the better my entire health. I love every moment of my existence. Every part of me that makes me who I am is encompassed with love. I have unconditional love within me that overflows in abundance to those around me." Great. Now, gently opening your eyes, take a fresh breath and know that whenever you love yourself, you will find love. Thank you.